Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Blake Shelton poked some fun at Nick Jonas while speaking to Hollywood Outbreak in April 2021, admitting he thinks Jonas is a horrible coach on The Voice because he didn't win his first time around. Nick Jonas is a great guy, but he is a horrible coach, the country superstar said.
Let's help you make your mark.
The Voice 2020 finale date. When is the season 18 schedule ending? The 2020 season of NBC's The Voice is coming to an end after a few weeks of live performances. The live season 18 finale date and time is set for Tuesday, May 19th from 8 to 11 p.m. Eastern Time.
Make your mark, take our lead.
After only 2 seasons on the show, Nick Jonas is leaving The Voice. Nick was a coach alongside Kelly Clarkson, John Legend, and Blake Shelton throughout seasons 18 and 20, taking a brief, 1-season hiatus. He will not be returning to the show for its upcoming 21st season, but why is he leaving the show again?
Take our lead.
Gwen Stefani returns to The Voice, and declares the season 20 finale as all about Blake Shelton. Gwen Stefani made her return to The Voice stage on Tuesday's season 20 finale, and we have to applaud.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.